see. It looks like it's maybe coming up, not quite yet. Yep, okay, cool. It looks like it's come up. Okay, cool. So we are going to continue from this morning. And we're going to take the container that we built, which has Dask and PyArrow and friends in the same content environment on Yarn inside of a Docker container. And we're gonna, hopefully it's gonna work. Of course, there's a chance, for example, especially with the nested data, I'm thinking that there might end up actually being some difficulties and we might run into some problems. But you know, that's part of the fun. And so that's gonna be our adventure today. So with that being said, I would like to, let's go ahead, go into live. Oh yeah. Put OBS into the background. We're gonna go ahead and I wanna Dask with Parquet. So yeah, we're gonna try and get Dask and Parquet working together. I'm using stuff. I'm gonna put on some music because I could use the music and YouTube royalty free music. There we go. So I'm gonna put on some. Oh no, that's not the search that I want to do. Ambient genre is ambient. Let's get a mood that's calm and see how this goes. Okay, that's not bad. This is Eternal Garden by Dan Hennig, I think. And you know, this is actually quite nice. Okay, so what was I gonna do? Something with computers, I'm pretty sure. Yes, okay. This is a little louder than I was expecting. Sound. There we go. That's hopefully a good enough mix. Okay, so we got the container built recently. So we're gonna go into Dask examples. Do I have an Emacs? Yeah, I do. Okay. Don't have worker.yaml up. That's okay. In here we've got a worker spec.yaml. And we just point this to the image version. And I think this is here for dual R. Okay. Part of me wants to request some GPU resources, but I think probably today is not the day to do that. Yeah, okay. So, first thing we're going to do is check what's going on our cluster. Let's actually see what cluster we're on. kubectl context. kubectl get contexts. Okay, kubectl config get context. Okay, yeah, so we're on the minikube one. It's not the one we want. So we want to use the K3s context. Okay. Let's take a look at what is up and running. So it looks like we've got Rook Ceph up and running. And there's some completed Dask pods in the default namespace from earlier. But otherwise, not seeing anything here that I really feel the need to clean up first. So that's cool. Oh, this is kind of weird. This is more recent than I would have expected, but that's an adventure for another day. Or at least I think that's an adventure for another day. So let's go ahead and launch Jupyter Notebook. And we are going to take this over here. Yeah, okay. And so, I want to import PyArrow. Do I have that installed? Okay, cool. Looks good to me. Okay, so kernel, restart, and clear output. So, yeah, this is from when I was testing that my config was reasonable, but we've sorted out what the config is, and now boop test partitioned. Okay, so copy alt Holden brain stuff my brain. Oh, all Holden, sorry. Hey Shiva. I mean, if we found a way to copy things between brains, that would be amazing. That was one of the parts of the matrix that I kind of wish we had. Okay. So let's start running this and let's see what happens. I'm not really sure what's gonna happen, but I'm optimistic it's gonna work. And so this is where is it? This is the part where it creates a scheduler pod on the cluster, and this is the part where it's gonna start potentially making some worker nodes. So kubectl get pods -ndask -w. Huh. Oh yeah, I'm root kubectl get pods -dask -w. Oh, interesting. It failed. That's not good. What failed? Dask scheduler wasn't found. That's not good. Let's take a look here. Ah. Well, no, that's weird. That totally should have. Well, yeah, let's take a look. conda list. I keep adding an extra S to the end of yes. Hmm. Let's see if this is going to do the trick. So that's really weird because that should. Okay, there's no Dask. Yeah, all packages already installed. So that's weird. Oh. I remember something weird with the Jupyter server proxy. So we can try separating that out. The other thing that I want to see though is maybe because we've updated the version of Dask, so maybe the version of what the Dask Docker project does has changed the entry point, and it could be the case. Let's take a look at what the commits are. 154 commits. Cool. So there's a few of them, I guess, and we can see what's in these. That doesn't seem like the entry point is changing anywhere. Let's go into this last changed 18 days ago. Let's take a look at the history. Don't. Let's see if any of these did anything other than just change a version number. Nope. 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 No. And no. Okay. So probably it's just that our Mamba install did not work as planned. Inconvenient. But in theory, should work. I got an idea. Okay. Docker. Docker exec versus Docker run. I never remember which one I want. Docker run. There we go. And we're going to run it in interactive mode. Okay. So Docker run minus IT Holden. That sound right? Who's calling me? Who is calling me? Oh, Carolyn. That could be important. Let me make sure. That was Carolyn saying that Timbit wants back inside the house. Oh, hey, baby. How you doing? Come on inside. Thank you. There we go, our brave defender. Pardon me. That was, I don't know. Okay. So I guess, well, that's what it is. Okay. I don't remember. Ah, okay. Holden. Is it Holden or Holden K? I don't remember. Holden K. Great. Never remember if I put my. Oh no, not what I want. Sorry. I want to run it in interactive mode, so I need to specify. Oh, I did. Okay. I guess I just want to run bash. Sounds good. Okay. We can figure out what's gone on, like why it didn't do what I thought it was going to do. Which, that's honestly, I mean, that happens a lot in my life. Things do not work as I expect, but that's okay. It's part of what keeps this interesting, I suppose. Okay. Okay. So, conda. Okay, conda list. So I have Dask installed. I'm very confused. So I have Dask installed, and it's saying, okay. Okay. And then, okay, so this, all this does is read some environment variables, install things. I mean, by all this does, it's very useful. But the main thing that we're doing is we're asking it to run dask-worker. So dask dash. Okay. Seems like it's there. It seems like it's there. So I'm a little bit confused. CTL, get pods. Cube CTL describe pod. I don't know. So it pulled it. Yeah, that looks like it should be fine. And then it can't find. Dask scheduler. That part to me is confusing. Ah, maybe it's in here. Maybe this is. I don't think so. I don't know. You know what? Let's run it on ARM. So we're gonna SSH to this worker. Ah, yeah, sorry. That's because this is one of the workers where we're using Docker, so I know everything's installed and set up. So we'll go ahead. Okay, goes ahead and pulls our image. Don't see here that would explain this behavior, but we'll find out. It'll be okay. We'll yeah. Okay. Um. Ah. Sorry, Panda list. Okay, somehow the x86 and the ARM ones have different things going on. And I could see that because earlier on I was building just the ARM one by itself, and I may have accidentally pushed just the ARM one, but I thought tags were updatable in Docker Hub. But that's a plausible explanation. So let's go ahead. Let's give this a shot. We're gonna build version 0.8. We're gonna build this for ARM64 and AMD64. Hope to God this works. If this fails again, for some reason, I'm going to be sad. Uh-huh. Okay. Let's see what happens, I guess. Oh, cool. Okay. Failed this time. Ah. Okay. Okay. This makes more sense. So what we need to do is move this up here, that there. So it's saying that there's nothing that can provide AIO HTTP, which is required by the Jupyter server proxy. And that's because AIO HTTP doesn't have an ARM package, which I'm a little bit confused about, but we can pip install it, and then it installs from source, and it works just fine, I think. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and so this failed again with nothing providing AIO HTTP. Super confused. Okay. uh, computers. Okay, so maybe now this will do the trick. Like we'll install AIO HTTP beforehand, and then that should just work, right? Let's go. Don't super understand, but this is super weird. It says successfully installed AIO HTTP. Right above nothing provides AIO HTTP. I am confused. I am confused. That is okay, though. That is something that I am pretty used to. Hey, princess! So once again, I'm ended up building containers. Even though I thought we could use the container that we built before, but somehow it was not good. So there's that. But other than that, you know, life is pretty okay. Timbit came back inside, and that's nice. Mm, I'm waiting. Okay. No proxy for. This is an optional component, so whatever. And so we'll just go ahead and reorder this, put this back down here. Because I really don't want to be pip installing my first package anyways. Let's hope this works out, I guess. I don't know. It's been a rough day, honestly, since yesterday. I had some stuff with a partner not go super great. More than that. And then so kind of in the distracting myself from life with computers approach, which is not always ideal. It is what it is. Thanks. How's your evening going? Thank you. That's kind. Maybe, I don't know. Nothing bad is in this world not too bad, I guess, maybe? I don't know. Or at least, yeah. I hope this thing works. If this doesn't work, I'm going to be super confused and a little frustrated. But I guess I'm working with computers, so that's pretty normal. Okay, so in theory, I guess this might work. While that's going on, we can try and track down why. Oh. Okay. So there's an Ubuntu Python 3 AIO HTTP package, but not a Conda AIO HTTP package for reasons that I'm not super familiar with. Oh, maybe I need to be searching for Arch64. ARM64 Conda. Okay, two closed. Okay. So this is the weird thing. Honda forage feedstock. Let's see here. Previously, I think when I did this, it worked out okay, but maybe that is not my success today, and that's okay. So Python Dask has been rebuilt. Okay. So this was merged, but like I don't see the same little comment here. Okay. Ah, gotcha. Okay. So we will go and look at the AIO HTTP feedstock. And we would look at the pull requests. No. Oh, it would just be AIO HTTP feedstock. Maybe not. Okay. Let's okay. So we look here. Go into pull requests. There are 43 closed. There's a rebuild for PyPy from 4 days ago. Okay. Okay. Oh, yes. Plural. Okay, so this is the feedstock. All of the pull requests are closed. None of them. So this was the like magic one from the bot from before. It changed a bunch of files. But it looks like the bot didn't do the right thing here, or at least I don't think it did. Let's add an issue. Build with ARM64 support. It'd be nice to use this with ARM64. Pip installing. It works. Tried adding. Doesn't seem like the bot did its magic. Okay. Okay, so there is fast parquet. Let's take a look and see if fast parquet worked. Okay, so swap pull for pulls, and we'll replace Python blocks with. Okay, take a look. Close pull requests. Does not seem like it did its like magic thing here either. That's frustrating. I'm wondering if there's more magic that I am unfamiliar with. That's okay though, because it looks like our build finished, and for now, like we can just pip install the few packages that aren't working. Oh shit, I guess I should have. Damn it. Because I would like this, because it seems like a really cool feature. Like we can get some like interesting stuff plumbed all the way through to our notebook, and that's one of the things that I think is really cool about these more modern systems. Spark is like the integration with the notebooks in the open source stuff, not just the commercial. So let's try and see if we can get that installed with pip. Oh, okay. Super happy fun time. Okay. This is going to take a little while. That's okay. Oh, oh God. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, I've got my little ears I can put in. Feeling happy and silly. Maybe not silly, but well. Hmm. Let's see here. Okay. Looks like we're coming along okay. Oh, thank you. Looks like the hard drive that I ordered to swap in with one of my machines has made it to Oregon. It was supposed to arrive yesterday, which is a little frustrating. But at least it's a solid state drive, so hopefully when it arrives it'll be in okay shape. I don't know. Let's see here. Got. Oh, that's what I missed. Damn it, I missed the Team Oreo cookies that I delivered. Or didn't deliver, that I ordered for my friend. Date friend. Oh, wonderful. Okay. Oh. Progress. Progress. Okay. Hope this works. I'm really excited. So yeah. I really hope this works. This would be really nice because then I can try the thing, and that would be really cool. And yeah, I am sleepy. Sleepy Zoe, Sleepy Holden. I don't know. Sleep is sleep is when I find it difficult to keep the feelings away. Such a good time. Oh, hello. That sounds like it's Carolyn coming back, right, Professor?
Stream.
It's going okay. The container I built didn't do what I thought it did, so I ended up having to redo the work from this morning. But that's like.
I thought he was sitting in the crate.
Oh no, I mean he was sleeping in the crate. He's such a good boy. What do you think of my ears?
Oh, they're very cute. They're very cute.
I like them. I hope your ears also make you feel happy when they come. We will be medium strange people together. Snuggle. Okay. So, part of me is wondering if I could like install, because this is taking a really long time. So maybe I could install this with Conda. And then that would speed things up, or that might speed things up if there is a version of it. There is! Yeah, okay, why don't go. Um, this is maybe a little weird. But that's okay. Doot doot doot. Um, okay. So then, um, about what is Simplifizer? No arch. Ah. Yeah, okay, okay. 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 We're going to do this again, and maybe it'll be faster. I mean, it'll still take longer than if I hadn't canceled it. But, like, something tells me that I am going to end up rebuilding this a lot. Let's make some notes down here. Installed explicitly, so we don't have to build some. I mean, when you're building version 0.9, that's the sign that life is gonna take some time. Oh yeah. Uh yeah, wait, Apache array. That's a great question. I have not heard of that. Um yeah. But yeah, I'm probably gonna have a version 0.9a, 0.9b, etc., etc. But yeah, I haven't heard of that project Alpha. What is it? Hmm. Oh, Arrow. Oh yeah, totally. So that's yeah. I'm gonna finish writing this note and then I can talk about Arrow while this is going. So we don't have to build it from source since Jupyter server proxy needs it. But Jupyter server proxy won't install from Conda. Okay, that's just a note for myself for later. But yeah, so I think Arrow is super cool, and that's something that we can look at while this is running. So it's a bunch of things, but the main thing is it's a language agnostic in-memory format for analytics, which is their way of saying like you can do useful things with the data in this format. And the point is that it allows for zero copy between a bunch of different things, and that's super important because memory copies can be very expensive. Serialization is super expensive. I think it's a really cool project. I wish I had more time and I could work on it more, but so many things going on. But I think it's a really cool project. Spark uses it, Ray uses it, and Dask can use it. Actually, I guess Spark can use it; it doesn't need it. And probably the same is true for Dask as well. Like, anyways, um, and so it's used often to speed up Parquet, but also for like whenever you're going between languages or between CPU and GPU and stuff like that. People can use it to make things faster by having a really nice format which is able to be understood by multiple languages and frameworks. So I think Arrow is really cool. That's the TLDR. And we're going to be using it today specifically for reading Parquet data, or no, writing Parquet data for writing Parquet data with Dask, assuming that I get this thing to work. Which, to be fair, is a assumption that might end up not holding completely true. But yeah, one hopes. One hopes. Okay. Looking solid. Looking solid. Oh, this is a lot of stuff to install from source. But okay. Cool. I guess I hope that worked. Ooh. Okay, I got a text message that there's a package that got picked up, so that's exciting. I'm gonna take a look at that really quickly and see if it's something that I need to like keep an eye on, or if it's something that I can just like ignore. Because sometimes I get things where like it's food, and then I have to keep an eye on it. And there are other times when it's not food, and then like it's okay if things get a little lost. Okay, cool. Looks good. So we pushed it. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna use 0.9. That being said, I don't want to like go through that whole slow process again. So let's go ahead, connect back to NB local. We're gonna run 0.9. And this is gonna let us see what's going on. Okay. Cool. And now we run. Yeah, okay, cool. So the Dask stuff did get installed properly this time. So we're good. That's great. I was a little worried that like there was something something wrong. Okay. So that worked. Oh, we should delete the pod that that has had the error, right? This is just not gonna succeed. Because that container just like was broken. And now what am I gonna do? Oh yeah, I guess. Oh, yeah, what's this? Bunch of stuff. I feel like somewhere around here is my notebook, but I don't see it in any of my tabs. Weird. Probably this. Ah, come back, magic box. Maybe this is one. There we go. That's got my notebook in it. Okay. Yeah, let's just run that again. Oh no, shit. Fuck. Sorry. Oh no, that was fine. Damn it. Whatever. Okay. Let's just restart the kernel and clear everything. Oh, damn it. I'm not doing great at my, like, not swearing so much goal. Oh, yeah. Okay, no resources found in the Dask namespace. That's great. Okay. So let's go ahead. Oh. See how see how this is working out. Okay, that's looking promising. So it's going ahead and it's running our stuff. So that's exciting. Oh, my watch is upset that I haven't done a lot of exercise today, but I feel like you should be able to tell your watch when you're having a rough day. Just have you leave you alone. That's okay. Oh, cool! It failed. Weird. Would have thought this existed. Let's go take a look. That totally exists. Okay. So okay, I don't. God damn it. Okay. Take a look at this one because they're about to go away. Okay. So we've got a bunch of crap that's mismatched. And somehow the scheduler and the workers are running different versions. What the I don't know how they got different versions. I mean, okay, so I have a theory. One of the workers is on x86 and it's got a slightly different version of packages. And the other stuff is on ARM, so they got a different version of packages, but that doesn't even make an overabundance of sense. It is not impossible, mind you. But that's okay. Okay. And we are going to. Oh. Let's go take a look and make sure that it's been. I want to make sure that. Okay, it's versions that are available. Come to forage 3.8.6. Sure, except that's 3.9. Yeah, so these all have 3.9. That's great, I guess. I don't know. Well. So, okay, I mean, it failed. But I want to test something. Is my networking host, like, it's possible? Could be DNS for all we know. No, that works fine. Okay. This worked before we upgraded everything. So my guess is, like, there's just something weird with having the slightly different versions. kubectl subscribe -n dask. Oh, probably have to specify that it's a pod. No, it's on the x86 machine. It's weird. Sorry, no, on the NVIDIA machine. Not what I was expecting. Let's take a look at this one. Anything interesting here? No. Okay. I'm wondering if it's a fluke and if I run it again, if it's going to succeed. Because, like, in networking, things can be like that sometimes. Nope. Oh, here we go. So that is a thing that's different. Okay. So we are going to run this. I hear you, Timbit. I do. Yes, baby. I know no one's paying attention to you right now, and that's a terrible mistake. Terrible mistake. I agree. Ah. Fuck. Okay. Oh, maybe. Yes, okay. So, I hear you, baby. I do. Okay. 6. So, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and switch 6. Let's go back here. Okay, looks fine. Values are fine, which are allowed a certain amount of latitude. So we are going to now build version 0.9a. And we're going to see if Timbit wants to go outside while we're doing that. Go outside, baby? Go outside? Here. I got an idea for you. Here. Oh, get it. Moderate success. He is not particularly... Oh, 0.98 already happened? Oh dear. Oh, well, yes. No, okay, yes. Yeah. Yeah, I guess that was bound to happen. It's the joys of life. you know? And by that I mean, oh god, computers. That's okay. That's okay. And we are going to restart, clear all the output. We're going to see how this is going. Am I familiar with over? No. I'm not. What is over? Ah. Yeah. Let's take a look. Hmm. Ah. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, zero version. Okay. That, uh, yeah, okay. Uh, um, I think this, I can't tell if this is a joke. I feel like it might be. Feel like it might be. It's okay. It is a joke. Okay, that's good. That's reassuring. I'm gonna go check on Timbit really quickly. Make sure he's doing okay. Oh yeah, I was gonna try and install some more of these things, but also, this is probably enough. And by try and install some more of these things, I mean like try and install them with Conda instead of just letting pip resolve the dependencies. But I think it's fine. I think it's fine. I'm gonna see if I can get Tippet to come upstairs again. Hey Tippet, come on, baby, let's go. Whoa, I want a good boy. Yes, that's you. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. I love you. Yes. He came upstairs. That's good. Okay, cool. And my doohickey thing built. That's also great. So now we're going to go ahead. Worker version 0.9.a. Yep. Okay. I mean, it still has the opportunity to fail later. But for now, let's savor our success while we've got it. Oh. Error image pull. Okay. Did I forget to put in a dash dash push? I could see my... Yep, I did. Okay. kubectl delete pod. Yeah, sorry. Partner. Message me. Okay. Well, let's run it. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Scheduler coming up. Okay. That looks promising. Let's take a look at the logs. Or this one. This is the scheduler pod. Sounds like, or I mean, it looks like it's doing okay. Now we ask it to scale. This is the first executor pod. Okay. Hello, Timbit. What have you found? Okay, so we do a little bit of trivial work, and that worked, so that's cool. Okay, now this is where it failed last time, and it's failing with file not found. And it's failing inside of HTTP. If But the weird thing is if I do a get, let's even do a get from inside the pod, right? Or inside a pod, because you know there's always networking issues potentially. Oh yeah, this is the pod. Okay, cool. class. This is the name. Okay, do I have will get? I do. So I have will get, so I do this. That worked fine. What are you talking about? This totally worked. But not inside of Dask data frame IO JSON. Okay, so Dask data frame IO JSON goes into the fs spec package. Okay. Okay, import fs spec. Okay, and then we're gonna do okay. Why is this not working? This was working with Dask 028. Why is it not working with Dask 03? So, okay. fs spec open URL. Let's try it. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna say fs spec open files. Okay, except requires a URL path. So now we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna give it our URL path that we're trying to use, which is here. And that says it worked just fine. That's weird. Okay. I guess let's take a look at the mode. Weird. Why is this failing? I don't. I don't super understand. Okay. Whatever. Get failed. Okay. Is there... Okay. So it could be the version of FS spec is screwy. That makes some sense, I guess, kind of. Let's take a look. Okay, FS spec no arch from Conda Forage. So let's go ahead. Okay. Import. Okay. Okay, that is the version. I don't. Super understand. This isn't requester pays. This isn't FS spec. There's okay. Well, let's try this. Right? Let's that worked just that worked with that. Okay. But if we replace this, we're going to open that URL that we're trying to get. Right. Okay. So we're gonna try and get google.com. Interesting. Okay, so that works. Maybe I need to specify mode here. Well, let's try this. This is maybe a long shot, but okay. Gzip. Okay. But I'm pretty sure this file exists. I guess maybe So I am uncertain. Hmm. Hmm. Um. hmm. Let's go take a look at what's changed recently in FS spec. Issues, pull requests, and commits. Okay. Ah, interesting. Mm-hmm. 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 Um, hmm. Mm, I guess. Oh, here we go. Huh? Ah, okay. Hmm. Interesting. AIO, HTTP. Um. hmm, No size. Okay. Super curious here. Let's go take a look. FS spec. Implementations. HTTP. Okay, I guess. Um. Hmm. 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 Size policy. Okay, so it's failing on line 262. Okay. Let's take a look around there. If size is false. Okay. Try and get access to the location via head and then get methods. For policy in head get size equals await underscore file size. I guess does get always return file size? AIO HTTP size get. Here we go. Yeah, okay. I don't. What do we do with size policy? Okay. Yeah. So this explains why it's working. Okay. So we're gonna file an issue because this like I don't know, fs spec uh, is unable to read data from okay, repro. So let's go ahead. Here's the repo. There's the repro. Steps. And call this code. I get the exception. Okay. And we will go ahead. It's not code, it's quote. There we go. Note if I download the file with wget g. Okay. Hmm. 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 Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at okay, dash dash verbose, I guess. Yes, okay. So this gives a 301. Let's go ahead and download this. Okay. So wait. This URL, it is the same as this URL, right? Am I, okay. Okay. So it's in HTTPS, it's fine. Yeah. So we get that. And then this is okay. Okay. So now instead we are going to do doot oh yes, okay, import fs spec. Okay, this, I don't I don't know. Okay. There is no 301 redirect. Okay. And thanks for hanging out, Princess. Mhm. Yeah. From running, seems that there is a 301 redirect to Doot. But if I let's make sure. Right, because we did this, right? This is the file not found error. So we go ahead, we'll get verbose, and yeah. Thank you. Even manually following that redirect, get the same error. It's a long shot, but let's see if someone has run into an issue with this. No, it doesn't look like it. Oh, I'm sorry. Yep. 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 Is 307. I recreated this issue on ARM and AMD16. Let's double check and make sure that we still get the same error running over here, because we might not. That would be confusing as fuck. Okay, different version of AIO HTTP, but that is okay. Maybe. Import fspec, okay. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and we're going to say yep. It's gonna okay. Yeah, there we go. Very interesting. Very interesting. Okay. Interesting. Okay, and now we'll go ahead and run this again. Make sure we have the right version. Okay. Okay. fspec is unable to read data from some websites with AIO HTTP 3.7.0. Yep. if I change my AIO HTTP version to 3.6.2, okay. It succeeds. 3.6.2. Okay. Let's see what else. AIO HTTP release notes. Okay. Okay. Hmm. I don't see anything in here that would immediately scream out to me that this is oh. Well, no, I don't know why. Yep. So, import. Yep. Okay. Import fs spec. OF equals with OF. Okay, we figured it out. This is the version. And so now we are going to go ahead and we're going to specify this version by hand. It is somehow 7 o'clock. I'm sorry. Okay. So we've discovered that the new version of AIO HTTP is partially incompatible with FS spec. I don't know why exactly. It only fails some of the time. From some HTTP and HTTPS. With AIO HTTP, where it succeeds with 3.6.2. I got the same. Cool. Well, so that's good news, because we found the issue. That's great. It's not great in that, like, I have to build my image again. But I suppose that's just sort of what I get for living on the edge. So this is going to be a 0.9b. We are going to go ahead and we're going to update our worker spec to 0.9b. I really want this one to succeed. How long have I been doing this one for? An hour and 45 minutes. Holy fuck. Yeah. Okay. Tell you what, we're gonna wrap. Yeah, my voice sounds like we should wrap. So yeah, we're gonna stop. Thanks everyone for joining me. And I'm gonna guess I'll come back for try 3. We think we found the bug, right? Like we know what the issue is, so that's really exciting. And I really think that you know, this might be the one where it works. Oh, speaking of though, I should probably yeah, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, this is gonna take too long, and I need a break. So thanks everyone for joining me. I hope you are having as good a day as possible. I'm gonna go make myself some tea. Figure out life. Keep doing this tomorrow because fuck yeah, computers, yay! Bye everyone. Oh, these are my coupons.